Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about major controversy involving Reliance and its partner British Petroleum. A decade-long legal battle over natural gas that just took a shocking turn. Two corporate giants, Reliance and BP, locked in a decade-long battle against India's ONGC over something invisible yet worth billions, natural gas. After years of legal twists and turns, the Delhi High Court has finally ruled. But what went wrong for Reliance and BP, and why is this case so important? Let's break it down. Let's understand first how it all started. The story begins in the early 2000s when the Indian government auctioned off oil and gas blocks in the Krishna Godavari basin. Reliance and its partner BP secured the KG D6 block, while ONGC operated the neighboring KG D5 and Godavari blocks. For years, everything seemed normal. But then, ONGC made a shocking discovery. Gas from its field appeared to be disappearing. They suspected it was migrating into Reliance's block. And the battle begins. In 2013, ONGC took action. They approached the government demanding an investigation. A US-based consultant was brought in, and their report changed everything. It confirmed that 11 billion cubic meter of gas had been indeed migrated from ONGC blocks into the Reliance KG D6 field. This meant Reliance had profited from the resources that legally belonged to ONGC. The Indian government, acting on these findings, demanded $1.55 billion, which is rupees 12,800 crores, in compensation from Reliance and BP. But Reliance refused, arguing, "Gas moves naturally. We didn't steal anything." And so the legal war began. Reliance and BP challenged the government's claim in an international arbitration tribunal. In 2018, they scored a massive victory. The tribunal ruled that Reliance was not responsible for the migrated gas. For Reliance, this was a huge relief. But ONGC and the Indian government weren't ready to back down. They took the fight to the Delhi High Court seeking justice. The final verdict, Reliance and BP lose game. In February 2025, the Delhi High Court delivered its final verdict. Reliance and BP must compensate for the gas extracted from the ONGC fields. The court overturned the arbitration ruling and reinstated the 12,800 crores claim. For Reliance and BP, this was a major financial and reputational setback. The verdict reinforced the principle that natural resources must be accounted and properly even when they migrate underground. But what this means for India and the future? Let's find out. This case is more than just a corporate dispute. It sets a legal precedent for how India manages its natural resources. Companies will now need to be extra cautious about cross-border gas migration and regulatory compliance. And the big question now, will Reliance and BP challenge this ruling in a high court, or will they finally accept the decision and pay up? The energy sector and the entire country will be watching closely. And that's a wrap up for today. Let us know your thoughts on the case in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest trending news. See you in the next one.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.